These two significant improvements that the Galaxy S25 Ultra is delivering will greatly enhance your experience. We're discussing a long-awaited system update that will improve performance as well as a game-changing gameplay feature. The Unpacked event for the S25 is scheduled for January 22, 2025, in San Francisco, California, according to South Korean media. As a result, the S25 will launch a little later than the S24, which made its debut on January 17 of this year. Samsung will unveil the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra at this event. Additionally, there is talk that the S25 Slim might make a debut. But it's unlikely that this gadget will be available for purchase until 2025's second quarter. Samsung is also anticipated to introduce its eagerly anticipated XR glasses, a significant advancement in extended reality. Now, gamers have some great news. According to a recent leak, Samsung is developing a new One UI game mode aimed at improving gaming performance. Frame interpolation technology, which helps increase frame rates for a smoother experience, is the mode's standout feature. The leak claims that by creating extra frames, this technology will enable images to go from 60 Hz to 120 Hz. Next, it has been announced that the base Galaxy S25 will sport 12 GB of RAM. This configuration, which is exactly in line with previous disclosures, was recently seen on Geekbench. Next, the processor has been the subject of some of the most significant inquiries prior to the release of the S25. ICE Universe has confirmed that Snapdragon chips would be used in all S25 models worldwide. This clarification is crucial because there was some confusion caused by a Geekbench listing that said the Galaxy S25 was being tested with an Exynos chip. The S25 series will be powered globally by Snapdragon. Here's an intriguing twist, though. Rather than depending on its own foundry business, Samsung is apparently thinking about outsourcing the production of Exynos chips to TSMC. Because of its improved yield rates, performance, and thermals, TSMC has a far better reputation for chip manufacturing. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.